Students, now I am going to explain about alcoholism from Unit 12. Let's start. Meaning: alcoholism means excessive consumption of alcohol and becoming addicted to it. That means when a man consumes excessive alcohol and becoming addicted to it, then it is called alcoholism. Now, effects of alcohol. Alcohol consumed in small quantities does not cause problems. On the other hand, a small amount of alcohol may be used as a tension releaser. Understand? Alcohol consumed in small quantities, it's not a cause of problems. Understand? On the other hand, a small amount of alcohol may be used as a tension releaser. Alcohol relaxes the mind and sedates the brain, especially to painful emotions, and promotes a sense of pleasure and well-being. Here, sedates means tranquilize or sleeping mode. Understand? Alcohol relaxes the mind and sedates the brain. Alcohol relaxes our mind in sleeping mood and sedates the brain or tranquilize our brain, especially to painful emotions, and promotes a sense of pleasure and well-being. Now, classification. Drinkers may be broadly classified two groups. They are moderate drinkers and problem drinkers. Moderate drinkers who consumes alcohol moderately and their drinking habit does not cause much problem. Who consumes alcohol moderately and their drinking habit does not cause much problem, then it's called moderate drinkers. Understand? Now, problem drinkers who consumes alcohol in huge amount, which lead to addiction and causes physical, social and psychological problems, then it's called problem drinkers. Understand? Problem drinkers is much terrible than moderate drinker. Understand? Now, causes of alcoholism. Point 1. History drinking. Alcohol serves as a temporary escape from situations and problems in life. Men start drinking in order to forget the miseries and problems of life. Men start drinking in order to forget the miseries and problems of life. Understand? It's called history drinking. Point 2. Individuals increasing worry over his drinking. Understand? Individuals increasing worry over his drinking. Point 3. Loss of the drinker's control over his drinking habit. And point 4. Disturbance in his social life. These all are the some causes of alcoholism. Understand? Now, consequences of alcohol abuse. That means what's the result or consequences of abusing alcohol. Understand? Excessive consumption of alcohol harm the human body in different ways. Understand? Always excessive consumption of alcohol harm the human body in different ways. Alcohol consumption, a result or actions are on the brain. It blocks the functional like sensation. Understand? It blocks the functions like sensation, perception and reasoning by its action on the stomach. It causes by its own action on the liver. It causes cirrhosis of liver, and its action on the heart may produce hypertension and heart failure. These all are the some diseases which is caused by abusing alcohol. Understand? Consequences of alcohol abuse cause many social evils such as crime, murder, prostitution, neglect of families, malnutrition, disease, unemployment, indebtedness, child delinquency, road accidents, loss of friends, and self-esteem. This is some causes which is lead to abusing or consuming alcohol. Understand? Now, stages of alcohol. In the first stage, when a person starts drinking in the morning, he needs alcohol to push him through the day. Understand? This is the first stage of drinkers. Understand? When a person starts to drinking in the morning, he needs alcohol to push him through the day. In second stage of drinker, understand? Person feels he cannot face difficult situation with the help of alcohol. In third stage of drinker, amount of consumption of alcohol is increases every month or year. In fourth stage of drinkers, when an alcoholic may feel that he has become so dependent upon alcohol and he cannot face an evening without it. This is some stages and conditions of drinkers. Understand? And last one, and in fifth stage, person drink excessively and behaves indiscriminately, which the result of abusing, fighting, throwing away things, beating wife and children, playing abused or even dangerous pranks, and they can easily enter into pathological stage. Understand? In fifth stage is very terrible stage of drinkers or alcoholism. This is all about alcoholism.